Singapore City has several towering skyscrapers, but only one building sticks out, the Marina Bay Sands. Marina Bay Sands is an integrated resort fronting Marina Bay in Singapore. It is owned by the Las Vegas Sands Corporation. This magnificent building has been featured in several TV shows. The marina first opened its doors in 2010 and it is regarded as the world's most expensive standalone casino property. Part of the reclamation process involved redirecting the Singapore River's mouth to flow into the bay instead of directly into the sea. The master plan for the integrated resort was to ensure that they mixed commercial, residential, hotel and entertainment in one area for a 24-hour economy. Built on 20 hectares of reclaimed land, the total money spent to construct this massive complex was $6.88 billion United States dollars, including the land cost. This building has a hotel with more than 2,000 rooms, a convention, exhibition center, a mall, museum, theater and a floating pavilion among other facilities. There are 3 hotel towers at Marina Sands Bay. These hotels are 55 stories each and have a total of 2,561 rooms. There is an infinity pool at the top, the world's largest and highest pool. However, only hotel guests are allowed to swim in this pool. It is 1 hectare long. The design of Marina Bay Sands was inspired by a deck of cards. Marina Bay Sands is the most expensive casino. One of the most expensive restaurants in the world is found in Marina Bay Sands.